We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Good morning, friends. Myself, Hilay Prajapati, working as an assistant professor in Civil Engineering Department in RNG Patel Institute of Technology, Bardoli. Today I am going delivered lecture on flow through pipes only for a friction losses, subject applied fluid mechanics under the curriculum of civil engineering 6th semester student. Now let's come to today content. What I am going delivered to you. First is a basic introduction relevant to pipe flow. Then characteristics of fluid. Third, different losses in a pipe flow like a major losses, minor losses. Next, most important equation for friction loss, that is Darcy's Weisbach equation. And last, we solve one problem on a friction loss. Flow through pipes is an important engineering in a fluid mechanics. It's important engineering in a fluid mechanics. The flow through pipe is used almost in all our daily operation, like for household water supply, sewage flow, and water distribution network for particular city. The pipe flow is also used for the transportation in industry, for the chemicals and petroleum product, for transfer from convey from one point to another point. We are talking some introduction related to the friction flow through pipe. As we know that water in the nature we find out in a river, lake, sea, stream, and all. But we came to man-made things. Suppose we are trying to water convey from one point to another point, or any other fluid carry one point to another point, like oil, any chemicals, or it may be water. So this thing carry through only for a pipe, and this is just an introducing to start that things. Next, now application, most important part. Just I am taking one of the example of water supply scheme from L&D construction scheme. You can see this planning of water supply system. There is some source point, and a supply system. But if looking that in figure, the series of number of tank. Series of a number of tank. In this figure, the brown tank is indicated, overhead tank, this one. This brown tank, this one, this. This brown tank is indicated overhead tank. Blue color indicate panchayat, reservoir, and this one is large union reservoir. Okay. Now first question, why tank is a place in a network system? Why tank is a place in a network system? Because you have to add or augmented additional energy in terms of pumping the water or pump the water by gravity or any other energy. Okay. Now the additional energy gives to the flow system and store this water. Okay, this additional energy gives to the flow system or convey water from one point to another point. So when you design this type of water supply system, we need to know that first, when we are designing this type of network, the first point we need to know that how much of loss is happening. Friction loss, contraction loss, expansion loss, how much loss is happening, how much pumping requirement is there, how many overhead tank are designing, what could be the diameter of pipe, and also the important what type of pipe should be there. All this complex system we designing for distribution system, and this type of system designed by some free softwares available like EPANET, WaterGems, etc. Now, characteristics of fluid. Characteristics of flow through pipe. Okay. When water, first point, when water or any fluid flowing in a pipe, it experiences some resistance to its motion. It's a frictional resistance, and due to this reduce the velocity and ultimately the head of water. Okay. Now what is a frictional resistance? The frictional resistance is a type of major losses, and the frictional resistance is mainly depend on the viscosity of fluid and roughness of the inside surface of the pipe. Now second, we are already discussed. We have already there is a resistance of flow due to the viscous property of the fluid. Now the next, the velocity of fluid particle at the center of pipe is more than the velocity of particle near the inner surface of the pipe. It means the velocity is maximum at the center of pipe and zero at the pipe boundary surface, because both boundary in a Static condition, it means it's not move. So this particle has a no velocity, it means velocity is a 0. Okay. Now, losses in a pipe. Losses in a pipe or a loss of energy in a pipes. When fluid is flowing through a pipe, a fluid experience some resistance due to which some of the energy of fluid is lost. Okay. This loss of energy is classified as a major losses and माइनर लॉसेस. हम दो तरह से क्लासिफाइड कर सकते हैं. फर्स्ट कौन सा? मेजर लॉसेस एंड सेकंड इज अ माइनर लॉसेस. मेजर लॉसेस कोज ड्यू टू द फ्रिक्शन. मेजर लॉसेस किसकी वजह से फॉर्म होता है? फ्रिक्शन की वजह से. एंड it is calculated by the two equation, Darcy's Weisbach equation and Chase's equation. Okay. And next, minor losses are formed due to the sudden enlargement. Okay. First section diameter is a small, second pipe diameter cross section is a large. So sudden enlargement, then due to sudden contraction, due to exit and entry of pipe, obstruction in a pipe, bend in a pipe, and fittings in a pipe. Now, most important, Darcy's Weisbach equation. Consider a uniform long pipe. Consider a uniform long pipe through which water is flowing. Okay, pipe divided into the two sections, section 1 and section 2. L is indicated. L is indicated the length of pipe between section 1 and section 2. Capital F is in the figure indicated friction, resistance. Then P1 and P2 is the pressure intensity at section 1 and 2 respectively. Same V1 and V2 velocity at section 1 and 2 respectively. D is the diameter of pipe. Small f is the friction resistance per unit area. And last, HF is a VR. Find out from this theory, that is HF is equal to loss of head due to friction. Now first step, applying Bernoulli's equation at section 1 and 2, or applying energy equation at section 1 and section 2. Okay. Now Bernoulli's equation, basic equation, P by rho g plus V square by 2g plus Z1, that is P by rho g, there is a pressure energy, then kinetic energy V1 V square by 2g, and Z is a datum energy. So apply for the section 1 and 2, P1 by rho g plus V1 square by 2g plus Z1 is equal to P2 by rho g plus V2 square by 2g plus Z2 plus HF. Okay. This portion is not considered. Okay. Now, as per the figure, Z1 is equal to Z2 and V1 is equal to V2. Why? क्यों Z1 is equal to Z2 consider किया? Because the pipe is a horizontal. You shown in the first page the uniform diameter of pipe. This pipe is a horizontal. And why V1 is equal to V2? Because the pipe is a uniform diameter. Okay. Now cancel out all this v square by 2g and z. Okay. Then remaining portion is a p1 by rho g is equal to p2 by rho g plus hf. Okay. And hf is equal to finally p1 minus p2 by rho g. And this is our the first equation number 1. Okay. Now next step. Step 2. Friction resistance is indicated by F1. Okay. The friction resistance is equal to friction resistance per unit area, that is indicated by F dash, denoted by F dash, then watted area into velocity square. Now first, what is watted area? Watted area means is the area of pipe in contact with the fluid that it carries. So the watted area for the circular pipe is a pi into d, that is a perimeter, and watted area, it means consider the length. Okay. Now F1 is equal to F dash. F dash is equal to friction resistance per unit area. Okay. And the watted area is a pi into d because of the circular pipe, that is a perimeter, and watted area, so consider length, and into velocity square. Now we got the equation number 2. Okay. Now next step. Force acting on fluid between section 1 and section 2. There are different forces. First is a pressure. Second is a friction forces. The pressure force on the section 1, that is P1 into area. P1 is a pressure intensity at section 1. Then pressure force at the section 2, there is a P2 pressure intensity at section 2 into area. And friction force is a F1. Okay. Now net pressure force find out. P1A minus second section force P2A minus F1. Then after common P1 minus P2 into area common is equal to F1. Okay. Now from the equation number 2. Okay. Now from equation number 2, this portion. Okay. P1 minus P2 is equal to F dash into P into L into V square divided by area. Okay. Now the next point. This term is come from equation number 1. Okay. So rho into G into HF is equal to F dash into P into L into V square divided by A. So HF is equal to, finally got the equation, F dash into P into L into V square rho G into A. Okay. Then after we solve it, then F dash by rho G and P by A is equal to, consider 4 by D. Now it comes from equation of hydraulic mean radius. This equation is R is equal to area by perimeter, and for the circular pipe, that is D by 4 hydraulic mean radius, and equation is A by P. Now P by is a reciprocal of hydraulic mean radius, so it means 4 by D into L into V square. Okay. Now final last step, HF is equal to F dash by rho G 4 by D L into V square, as we know that. Now putting the values, F dash by rho G is equal to F dash by 2G, and finally we got the equation HF is equal to 4 FLV square by 2GD. We got this final equation of Darcy's-Weisbach equation, and this equation used for find out loss of head due to friction. Now, problem 1. We discussed some example regarding to the major losses. Okay. Now, first problem. Water flows through a pipe 20 centimeter in diameter and 60 meter long with a velocity of 2.5 meter per second. Now find head lost in a friction by Darcy's formula and Chase's formula, and take F is equal to coefficient of friction, that is 0.005, and C is a Chase's constant. Okay, C is equal to 55. Now given data from, that is L is equal to 60 meter, okay, and D is equal to 20 centimeter, that is convert into the meter 0.20. Then after velocity 2.5 meter per second, and coefficient of friction 0.05, and Chase's constant C is equal to 55. Now first, loss of friction find out. Firstly, loss of friction find out from Darcy's Weisbach equation. Okay. Now Darcy's Weisbach equation is HF is equal to 4FLV square by 2 into G into D. Now 4 into F value 0.005 into 60, the length of pipe, into velocity 2.5 with 2.5 square, divide by 2 into G, that is 9.8, into diameter into meter 0.20. Okay, now we solve it, we got the answer 1.913 meter. Okay, 1.913 meter. Now last, we find Chase's equation. Okay, the Chase's equation is here. V is equal to C under root mi. Okay, V indicated velocity, C is a Chase's constant, m is indicated hydraulic mean depth. Okay, hydraulic mean depth, d by 4, equation is a m is equal to a by p, put the value pi by 4 d square and all that, and we get the value d by 4. Okay, we already discussed on this, d value 0.20, divide by 4, and we got the answer 0.05 meter. Okay, clear. Now put the all values in this equation, velocity 2.5, c 55, under root 0.05 into I. Okay, now solid 2.5 divided by 5 whole square, and remove the underscore under square root. Okay, and then finally got the answer I is equal to 0.0413. Now what is I is indicated hydraulic gradient. It means loss of head per unit length. It means HF by L. Again I repeat, I indicated hydraulic gradient means loss of head per unit length. Okay. Now put the values. I is equal to 0.0413. We find out HF and divide by length is 60, and we got HF is equal to 2.479. Okay. Now today we are covering major losses only. Now my next lecture is uploaded on the minor losses, and all cover topics on the flow through pipes. Okay. This is So these are some references. These books that I am following for this chapter. First is R.K. Bansal. This is a very fine books, Fluid Mechanics and Hydraulics. Then second is R.K. Rajput, Fluid Mechanics and Hydraulics. And the most important book for the fluid mechanics is the Singal and Simbala. That is Fluid Mechanics, Fundamental and Application. And this is most important books, Simbala, and some point cover from the Turkey solution and urban and rural water supply L&D construction manual. Okay. Thank you very much.